Good morning everyone, this is Maitreyee Mishra welcoming you all again to our channel You Are Unique, and do not forget to press the bell icon if you are new to the channel, and do share, like and comment in the video. Now we are going to deal with the last subtopic, that is consciousness, that all living organisms show consciousness. It is a defining feature. What it is a defining feature. Defining feature means that it is enough to define whether something is living or dead. We all know that all living organisms respond to stimuli. Stimuli means any external change in the environment which causes an organism to respond to it. And what is consciousness? Consciousness means I am standing alive, I am responding to all the changes in my environment. If you are talking to me, I am talking to you, and this linking, this conversation and whatever activities, day-to-day activities I am performing, the life processes I am performing, I am aware of my surroundings, it is said to be consciousness. The first thing that human beings, it is very difficult to define consciousness. It is very difficult to say that something is living state in humans or not. Why? Because in humans we have seen paralyzed patients, brain dead patients, and patients lying in coma for a week or for a month or many years, and the medical history have said that they are clinically dead. Why are they dead? Because they are replaced, because their organs are virtually replaced by machines. Their hearts and lungs are replaced by machines. They are just lying on the bed, and whatever we are speaking, if it is a very severe condition, the voice is just reflected from their ears. We know that human is a self-conscious animal. If someone asks you that which animal is self-conscious, then you will say that human beings are self-conscious. Also, living things respire anaerobically or aerobically. They do have a constant shape and size. They have a constant shape and size. Therefore, we can say that any living organism, if it has a definite shape and size, it is morphous. And if it does not have this, it means non-living organisms are amorphous. They do not possess a definite shape and size. And furthermore features which you have dealt in your earlier classes. Now, if we are known to all the characteristics of a living organism, so it becomes easy to define what is a living organism. What is the definition to it? Now, if I define that what is a living organism, I will say that they are self-replicating. They are able to replicate their cells by themselves. Also, they are evolving to the changes in their environment. Also, they are self-regulating systems capable of responding to external stimuli, any external disturbance which is causing them to respond to it. Also, there is a constant homeostasis, constant internal environment maintained in their body to sustain their life on this earth. If we are maintaining homeostasis, it means that we are living. In order to live, one should maintain homeostasis. So these are all the characteristics. It was used by two scientists, Treviranus and Lamarck, in the same years, 1802. It was used by Treviranus in his book Biology or the Philosophy of Nature, and by Lamarck in his book Hydrogeology. Now, what is biology? Bio and logos. Bio means life and logos means the study or the science, how the life originated on earth. or how the story of living organisms started. Here this is biodiversity. Biodiversity or biological biodiversity. Biological diversity was first used by Dasman in 1968 and then it was contracted to biodiversity by W.G. Rosen in 1985. Now what is systematic? Systematic term was coined by Carolus Linnaeus and defined by Simpson. What did he define? He defined that the study of the kind and diversity of Earth. The study of the kind of life and diversity on Earth means that what is the life, what the different organisms which are living in it. It is approximated that we have studied 1.7 to 1.8 million of species, both plants and animals on Earth. We have scientifically observed and studied about them. Also, here we are with some fathers of some famous fields. Here it is father of ecology, Ritter, father of evolution, Darwin, father of taxonomy, Carolus Linnaeus, father of zoology, Aristotle, father of neospora genetics, Carl Lindegrown, father of human genetics, it is none other than Gregor Johann Mendel, father of eugenics, Galton, father of histology, Xavier Bichat, father of cytology, Robert Hood, and father of botany, Theophrastus. Thank you everyone. Do like, share and subscribe and comment if you loved.